Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. We've got a great condo for you, so don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
Welcome to this adorable and beautifully decorated turnkey condo. This condo is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath, and awesome. You've got all of this open living space with the living room into your expansive kitchen. You've got plenty of space for dining here and mobility and for all your guests. What's unique about this one, those lights above the cabinets. What just a cute little final detail, right? And it's been remodeled so that they live here actually full time. So this one has never been a rental unit. It's not damaged, it's not dinged, and all of those things that you would want. So you could totally choose to use this granite kitchen and you could live here full time. It could be a secondary home, or it could be a rental, or it could be your visit when you're not renting in the high months or whatnot. Let's go check out some of these bedrooms. This massive ensuite bathroom is to die for. Definitely check it out. And it leads right into this master bedroom. There's so much space in here. You can see what items are in here, and yet there's still so much room. The other 2 bedrooms and the bunk space offer more sleeping areas, and they're just as expansive. And you've got 3 full baths, so nobody's gonna be tripping over anybody, whether you're full with guests or here with the family. Check out this little peekaboo space. This extra bunk space is not in the hallway. It's off to the side, has access to a bathroom, and this bathroom Jack and Jill's right to the bedroom. So all 3 bedrooms have an ensuite. This balcony is so expansive. It's one of the largest on Panama City Beach. And from the living room or the master bedroom, you get the view of the nightly water show that's in the lake with music and everything. Kind of like the Las Vegas Bellagio is where it's modeled after. But you've got a bar out here, you've got lounge seating, being able to sit out there a majority of the year here. It's only too hot 3 or 4 months a year, so this is fabulous. So I hope you enjoyed this unit at Laketown Wharf. If you'd like more information, look in the description below. I've got the actual live listing link as long as it's available. And don't forget, ring that bell, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the deals that we show you.